Hello, welcome to Spot Money. I am doing a live training at noon today, and we're also going to discuss about the value of money in trading. A lot of people lose insight on what money really is, and they see it on the screen, but they don't see it in their bank account because they don't know how to get it there. And a lot of times what you see on the P&L doesn't relate to real life, and we're going to talk about that, and what $300 really is, or what $500 really is. And a lot of times when you're trading, you will see $50 there, but you won't take it. But yet some people, say they make $20 an hour, they'll work almost 3 hours for that, but yet they won't take $50 in a couple seconds. So we're going to talk about this and kind of go through things, just the psychological part of trading. And you can do that by registering here. Go to spymoneylsc.com, scroll down, and you can either click on this link here, copy it, paste it, or click register here. And that will take you to the registration for it. We're going to change some things up on the website. We're going to do some more training, just more talk. I don't know if you saw it or not, but there is one link that I did on YouTube, and I think everybody should probably look at it. So if you go to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/SpyMoneyLSC, if you go up there, you can see a video that I posted. It's Possible Market Crash is the name of it. And I go over, this don't have anything to do with spy money. It's just what I see coming, possibly. And I think it's something you ought to watch. I don't get anything out of it. It's nothing like that. But it's just something that I think that you probably ought to watch. And it may resonate with you. It may not. But it is definitely a good YouTube video. And you click on the live. So whenever you click across the Spy Money part, there's different ways that you can see things. Like right here, you got home videos, all this stuff. And it is, I think, something that would be good. So if you click on live, you can see my live videos and go there and see what you think. I think that is probably definitely worth watching. You may not agree with it, and that's fine. I could be 100% wrong, but it is something that I think that is definitely worth watching, and just to give a different view on where the market is. But for now, we're going to talk about, one, how to make money. Two is how to take profit, whether it be small or large, and why. And we're going to talk about how you can get started with the spy money strategies, and see if that works for you. It doesn't work for everybody, but if it is something that you feel that would work for you, then get joined up and we'll get you taught on how to use it, and possibly get you to where you are taking profit when you should. And that's really the whole consensus of this video, is just to kind of help you, whether you join Spy Money or not. It's really just good advice on how you can get your profits in the bank account and so forth. So, and we use this system here. This is a live account, and it's my AMP futures account. But I teach you how to use this. I mean, if you look at it, it maybe doesn't look quite right. You see all these arrows and this and that, all these colors, and you don't know what to do. But it's actually pretty simple. Right here's a trade. This one right here, that was $220. That's a trade that you could have had today. A couple $100. Right here's another one that you could have got, $780. That was at 6:37 this morning. And right here's another trade. This one right here is $510. We're only looking for $500, guys. Join the webinar, and we're going to go over all this and show you how it all works, and hopefully it'll work for you. It's something you want, and we can get you started today. So again, go to spymoneyllc.com, click on register here. That'll get you into the registration. I start at 12 noon Eastern time immediately. I don't wait around. So if you don't get there at noon, then you're going to miss it.